today we're in Sorrento. Well, here we go. We're walking down to Peter's Beach. Here you can see Mount Vesuvius in the background. It's got a cloud on top, but it's not the cloud you're thinking of. It's just I think it's a rain cloud or a thunder cloud, I'm not sure. But there it is. And I see there's a tall ship out there in the bay. And the beach club's down below. And there are 3 different kinds of beach clubs here down in Sorrento. The one is just purely a swimming area, as you can see. And then Peter's Beach has got a nice sandy beach. Not the white sand, but it's sort of a volcanic sort of sand, sort of dark in color. But it's enjoyable, and you can swim in the area down below. You can rent a pedillo. And what else? I think there's also little boats you can hire. Yeah, it's really cool. There you go, someone's swimming down over there. Capri just on the left hand side of Vesuvius. You can't see it because the Sirocco is just totally hidden the island of Capri. This tunnel, which basically turns the pathway to the other side, and this must have been mined in the early 19th century or 18th century. So you go down and then you pop out back onto the path looking at the sea. There you go. So that's what we saw earlier. There goes the ferry to Capri, as we just mentioned earlier on. Another beach club down the way there. Really a steep walk back up, but I think we'll take another route. We won't come back up this way. Beach club's not that full yet. There are a few people down there. By no means was it as busy as yesterday. When we arrived here yesterday, it was packed. Couldn't get a space anywhere. So now we pre-booked at Peter's Beach. So we're going to go and take our lounger and sit and relax and enjoy the good weather here at the Mediterranean. Okay, so we're down here on Pedro's Beach, or Peter's Beach as they call it now, here in Sorrento, but his actual name is Pedro, which is the Italian version of Peter. And there you go. So it's a volcanic sand, pretty soft, but quite a few pebbles in it, so I think it's going to be hard on the feet. And we've booked a sunbed right at the end there, next to the wharf. Yeah, there you go. All those wooden columns over there. So we're going to go and sit down and put our feet in the water. Okay, so going down onto the beach. There we go. Pedro's setting up the dolly for us. Well, you definitely organised the clear water for us today.
Right.
You organised the clear water. Perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Pedro.
Very clean, it's very perfect.
Gracias. Check it out. I'm sitting down on my lounger and this is what I see. Water's really clear today. I'm going to pop into the water right now. There you can see Vesuvio in the background again. Clouds seem to have moved on a little bit. Capri ferry coming in, just going across the mouth of our beach club. Just a bit of a walk along the beach, but I better say my feet are hurting on these stones. Taking a walk along the pier. We were sitting down below earlier on, you remember?
My favorite was the one that was in the like beginner class.
Really a beautiful day. Last couple of days have been raining, but today is just perfect. That's the sheer cliff we walked down earlier. And it's populated by all the villas. And they all have spectacular views, I'm sure. Hotel de Tasso, and I'm sure all of those next door to them are also hotels. Couples in the water. And this is the entrance to the beach club. There's little bathing boxes. And we're sitting right in the corner there at the edge of the pier. That's about really right at the end. Really a stunning day. So I'm on my way back up from Peter's Beach. And I decided to take the steep route because the other route is just not safe at all, because there's no pathway to walk up and the cars are really dangerous and close. So I've taken the long way around, and the view is just spectacular once again. Back in the cave, and we're going to be popping out shortly and we'll see the view again. Guy out there in his little sailing boat. Okay, now for the next leg. Tall ship out there, as I mentioned earlier. I've just zoomed in, I don't know how clear it's going to be. And this is the steepest part. Last bit, but the steepest part of all. Oh, that was Peter's Beach here in Sorrento, Italy.